Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can create your WhatsApp templates and get them approved instantly using our application Lead Manager Ninja within your Salesforce. For this, go to the SMS Templates feature of our application. Here, create a new template. Type any name of the template. Select the template's unique name for it to be populated automatically. Select the WhatsApp channel. You can select a folder or keep it blank as well. This is optional. You now need to select the category of the template. It can be utility, marketing, authentication, or service. Select the object on which you want to create and use the template. In case your business has multiple WhatsApp numbers and accounts, you can select any of the accounts that you want to use these templates from. Select a language, as we support multilingual templates in our application. You can now type a header or add any attachments as well. For now, we are just selecting one of the images as a header. For the body, you can type a simple body or add a merge field as well. I have added the name as a merge field in this body. You can now add up to 10 custom or CTA buttons. To add a custom button, click on the Add button and click on Custom. To add some CTA buttons, click on the Add button and click Visit Website. Similarly, you can add as many as up to 10 custom LCD buttons. Add some text onto the custom buttons. Check the checkbox and click on Save. This will directly create your template and get it approved on WhatsApp automatically within a few seconds. Now, in the user template you just created, select any record that has leads. Opening a lead, go to the LMN console or the chat messages. Here you can insert your previously created template. We have a Dreamforce promo available now to be used. Insert the template and click on Send. The template will be sent and delivered instantly. You can get a preview of how the template will look.